Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume with ChatGPT. Ladies and gentlemen, by far this is the best, easiest, quickest, most convenient way to do your resume in a professional manner. Go ahead, ChatGPT, open up a new chat and paste this in. Generate a one-page resume for me as a whatever you are with X amount of experience that you have. The resume should showcase my experience interacting with or doing whatever it is that you do and knowledge of whatever it is that you have knowledge of. Provide sample metrics for measuring the success of projects I've worked on in terms of performance and scalability. Adjust the sentence structure and vocabulary as you see fit. Now, of course, this all will be your personal details. So add in as much as you can so that ChatGPT can actually create something with your information and obviously as accurate as possible. Here are my details. Add in these details so that it can all be done for you. So name, location, email address, telephone number, cell phone number, and your LinkedIn account. Here we are going to hit the send button. Now you can see within a few seconds, it will now give you all of your details. Professional summary, core competencies, professional experience, education, certifications, achievements. There we go. Would you like me to format this into a ready to download PDF or Word doc version? You can say yes. However, I would suggest you take this, you copy it, put it into Microsoft Word, put it into whatever editor you would like to put it into, rewrite it in your own voice, in your own words, change one or two small details. Make sure that it is you and you are sure to get that job.